Friends, welcome to Net Talks Tamil. Today we are going to discuss about how to create a VLAN in switch, how to assign a access port in switch, how to configure access port in switch. Let's see the configuration syntaxes. Creating VLAN in switch is very simple. Go to the config mode. In config mode, give the VLAN space the VLAN number that will call the VLAN ID, and then name of that VLAN, and then exit. Then VLAN will get created. And then configuring access port in switch. Config mode, go to the particular interface FA 0/0, and then we need to define a mode. Now we are going to define an access port. Switch port mode access. If you want to define as a trunk, switch port mode trunk, you have to use the command. Now we are going to configure as a access port. So switch port mode access. Then we need to configure map to the particular VLAN in that interface. Switch port access, this is access port, so we'll call it the access VLAN 10 and then exit. Now we have created a lab scenario by using the Cisco packet tracer. If you don't have any idea about the Cisco packet tracer, please go through my previous videos which is available in my YouTube channel. How to download the Cisco packet tracer, how to create a login, all those information has been included in previous video. Please go through that and install the Cisco packet tracer and get ready for the lab. Now let's move to the lab scenario which I am created here today. Let me place on switch. Here in this scenario I am going to create a two VLANs, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. VLAN 10 for HR team. I am going to use the subnet for HR team is 10.10.10.0/24. For sales team, the VLAN is 20. For them, I'm going to use a subnet as 20.20.20.0/24. In this scenario, I'm going to use 4 PCs. Now let's I have connect the PC to switches. PC0 to switch, PC1 to switch. Now I could not able to see the physically the PCs are connected to which port. For that, let's enable the option. In option, if you go the option, it will be there like a show ports. I'll show that. Now for easy understanding, we are putting a description under the PCs. The PC0 is belongs to VLAN 10. The IP which I am going to assign now 10.10.10.1/24. For PC1, it will be part of VLAN 20. IP which I am going to assign for VLAN PC1 is 20.20.20.1/24. So now I could not able to see the PCs are connected with switch port. To view that, we need to enable an option in Cisco packet tracer. For that, go to the option preferences. Always show port labels in logical workspace. If you give that, okay, we could able to see now. PC0 is connected to the switch port FA0/2. PC1 is connected to switch port FA0/1. Let me put two more PCs. Now two more PC we are adding here. PC3 will be part of VLAN 20. For that, I am going to assign IPs 20.20.20.2/24. PC2 will be part of VLAN 10. For that, I am going to assign IP as 10.10.10.2/24. The /24 mean subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Now let me connect both the PC2 and PC3 to the switch. Now 4 PCs are connected on the single switch. Now logically we are going to create a VLAN in the switch. We are going to create a 2 VLANs. Before creating a VLAN, I am going to assign a IPs to the PC. PC1 20.20.20.1. For that, subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, which is /24. Now PC0 10.10.10.1. Subnet mask is /24, which is 255.255.255.0. Now PC2, which is part of VLAN 10. For that IP, I'm going to assign as 10.10.10.2. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Now PC3 IP address is 20.20.20.2, which is part of VLAN 20. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Now I have assigned IPs to all 4 PCs. Now let's move to the switch configuration. I am going to the switch configuration now here. Usually in live scenario, we will be taking through the switches through the SSH or telnet. Usually the SSH is a preferable since telnet is a vulnerable. Now we are going to going to the config mode. From config mode, after going to the config mode, VLAN 10. VLAN ID is a 10. Enter and then name HR. I have given a space so it is not taking HR underscore team. I have given it, now it's taken. Exit and then VLAN 20 name sales team. Now VLAN has created. Let's verify VLAN creation. Show 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 VLAN. I have given a short as a SH VLAN. Here VLAN 10 and 20 is created. No port is mapped under the VLAN. If you see after active, there is no port is mapped. Let us enable the access port. After that, you could able to see after active what is the port configured for VLAN 10 and 20. Again config T interface FA0/2, which I need to assign as a VLAN 10. Switch port mode access. I am configuring as a port number 0/2 as a access port, and then I'm enabling VLAN 10. Switch port access VLAN 10. Exit. Now the port number 0/2 configured as access port and assigned to the VLAN 10. Now let us configure rest of the ports. Interface FA0/1, that will be part of VLAN 20. First we'll enable switch port mode access. We'll enable that particular port as a access port. Post we will assign that port into the VLAN 20. Now let's configure the port number 3. Port number 4 shall be configured. In port number switch port mode access and switch port mode access VLAN 20. Now PC 1 and 3 will be part of VLAN 1 and 3 will be part of VLAN 20. PC 0 and 2 will be part of VLAN 10. In switch port number 2 and 4 will be part of VLAN 10. port number 1 and 3 part of VLAN 20. Now I have configured all 4 ports. Let's verify assignment of ports in the VLAN. I given a same command show VLAN in shortcut space VLAN. For HR team VLAN 10, port number 2 and 4 is mapped, and then port number 20 VLAN 20, port number 1 and 3 is mapped. Now let's verify the communication between PCs within a VLAN. Now let me ping the from PC 2 to PC 0. It's a part of both systems are part of VLAN 10. I'm pinging here. It's pinging. Let me try to ping a VLAN 20 subnet. It's not pinging. See, if you want to enable a communication between VLAN 10 and 20, we need a L3 device, either L3 switch or router. We will be seeing those concepts in upcoming video. Now let's verify for IP for this PC. I was pinging from 10.10.10.2 to 10.10.10.1. Now let's go to the VLAN 20 machine. Let me ping from PC1 to PC3. Ping 20.20.20.2. It's pinging. Let me give a try to say, let's verify this is whatever we connected a PC is a 20.20.20.1. Within a VLAN, communication is there. Now this is simple. Okay, we have created a VLAN here and assigned the access port. Assigned the access port, and then we have assigned the VLAN to the particular port wherever we require it. Hope this video makes clear how to create a VLAN, how to assign an access port, and then how to check the VLAN configuration in the switches. Thanks for watching NetTalks Tamil. Please like it, share it, subscribe it. If you have any doubt, please drop your doubts in the comment box. It will be briefed in upcoming videos.